Mic check. Mic check. Okay, so this is gonna be the shortest live stream. It's only gonna be like 5-10 minutes. Oops. God, I can't hear myself. Just gonna start transitioning into the next thing I'm gonna do, which is the every day for March. Still, I haven't even decided if I'm gonna do this in Blender or ZBrush. But I'm like leaning toward doing it in ZBrush. So unless I kind of just do like a back and forth type of thing, which would be kind of cool, I think. Just like sculpt something in Blender and then ZBrush, kind of go back to back. So yes, what I'm gonna be doing, pretty much following the schedule right here. I don't really see any changes going, but still subject to change. Might rearrange it. That's pretty much it. Let's go to oops, you can see my let's go back to Maya here. Let's see. So you can see here, another simple graph or whatever you call it going on here, just taking the volume and then putting it into a mesh with points. That's basically what's happening here. So there's nothing too interesting really. So here's the graph. Trying to figure out this influence set property here, and I just put the I'm just gonna say node, and then this key section I put voxel velocity, but it's not exactly but yeah, as you can see here, normally without this it would kind of just be like a dome looking, but with the influence it's just kind of like this look right here. So that's pretty much it. The next thing I like to talk about is that I'm not gonna stop using Bifrost. I'm still gonna use it every now and then after this, and if I learn something that hasn't really been shown, or like figure something out that's been shown but there's no tutorial on it, I would love to show it off, show how it's done, because pretty much pretty much all the stuff I did, just looking at tutorials on YouTube, and there's some really cool short videos out there, but like they don't show it, and I was kind of trying to figure it out, but so far I not succeeded on trying to figure it out, if that makes sense. Let's see, what else am I gonna say? So I guess the next thing I would like to show is it's kind of what I plan on doing for the anatomy stuff, so I guess kind of show that too. I have quite a bit of resources. Bought some stuff on ArtStation. Plan on looking at some videos on the best way to approach trying to do like the anatomy stuff. Oh my god. Camera fell. So okay, so here's the camera. What I aim to learn by doing the anatomy stuff every day is because the stuff I made before, I kind of just winged it, and I kind of don't want to do that anymore. So I'm hoping that I can change that and really at least, let's see, where's the same at? Should be good. At least know what I'm doing. Ooh. I feel like Blender would be faster, and I'm much faster in ZBrush. Let's go ahead and open up ZBrush real quick. Give it a second. Let's see. Maybe I should put it on the Mac. Let's try this one. Okay, so that's open. I just opened up a random mannequin scene. So the idea is to use these, and then let's just say, not these all the time now, but let's just say I want to do an arm. It's gonna use, at least at the very beginning, it's gonna be very like base shapes going on here. And kind of just shape it to how it actually be, type of thing, you know. And just kind of really try to figure this thing out, you know. Presentation here. Like start off very basic, very simple, and then later in the month, as I progress through it, start to do like very more detailed stuff. So that's the idea. So going back to the schedule here, that's pretty much pretty much the plan. And then, yeah. There's still the getting ready scene. It might be just be a still image, honestly, because I took time to make this one, and I haven't even started on making a new one specifically, but the color here will be different. It won't be blue anymore. It's gonna be red. So let's go back to my ooh. So that's pretty much it for this one. Very simple render I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna another little compilation video. I don't even have time for that because I have to start on the next thing already. So I'll save that until December if I manage to reach at the end. Do a little compilation, whatever. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let this thing render. I'm gonna try to do something cool with it. That's pretty much it for that. So let's just go back to the ending. Thank you guys for anybody who went to the stream, watched it for like 1 minute or whatever. I'm gonna start to transition into the next thing, and see you tomorrow for day 1 of an anime sculpt. In either Blender or ZBrush, I have no idea which one. So, thanks for watching the Bifrost stuff, and that'll be it for me for the last day of Bifrost. Not that interesting. I just need some time to really make the transition into the next thing. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.